2020, 2021 were really the years of CEO proclamations and pledges. 2022, 2023 is heads of operations delivering on those commitments.
Operation 2030 and the Journey to Zero Plus is the theme of this year's IX event. LNS's annual event is a global platform for C-suite leaders and their teams across manufacturing, quality, and sustainability to convene, engage, and drive the future of industry. Unfortunately, for far too many of these executives, the great stagnation and productivity paradox have moved from the world of academic theory to realized results. The status quo is no longer one of continuous improvement, but instead plateaued performance. At this year's event, we will be presenting our new groundbreaking research on Pathfinders, benchmarking the journey of the world's most productive companies. You will learn how these outliers and visionaries have transformed their businesses and are achieving zero harm, zero waste, zero net carbon, and step change productivity gains, with the specific recommendations on how to apply these learnings to your own business. I hope to see you in Chicago on October 17th, 18th, and 19th.